Have you been designing in Figma and you want to choose a font but you can't see what the font looks like? Well, keep watching and I will show you 2 plugins that will help you with this. The first plugin is Better Font Picker. You can find here in Community, and you need to go to Plugins and Better Font Picker, and you will see a preview of your font. So this is a good plugin, and you can see how a font looks like. So this is a good plugin. The second plugin is Font Preview. Font Preview is a good plugin. You can go here, Font Preview, and this is a good plugin that shows you a preview of your font and has a useful feature which is that you can add a font as a favorite. You can select a font and click here on favorite, add favorite, and the next time you want to use your favorite font, you need to go here on favorite and search for your favorite font. I hope this video will help you to have a preview of your font. So thanks for watching.